We'll be unboxing the Indwell Camping Stove. So here we see we have the user manual. I'm not sure what this is yet. We'll look it up in a moment. First we'll look at the carrying pouch, which has something in here. Which has the feet. And then we have the camping stove itself. Like you may need, like if there's going to be on a flat surface, or you need it on a different type of surface. The infrared burner, serrated anti-slip brackets, windproof ring. We have the electric igniter, so that's what that is. An adjustable arm. These are going to be for sandy terrain. Stainless steel. Pots and pans cannot be used to ensure safety. Things to check before you start. The valve should be tightened clockwise to the closed state. Next step is before ignition, check there is no leakage at the connection between the burner head and the gas tank. Use an external fire source to ignite. Open the valve to maximum and ignite from the side of the stove. If gas leakage is found, stop using the stove. The weight limit is 10 kg. The size of the stove should not exceed 7.9 inches of pots and pans. And this has been the Indwell Camping Stove.